Okay, so this is a simple little robot that uses Arduino and L298N H-Bridge Motor driver, and I've got a little breadboard at the bottom just to secure all the pins, basically just all the negatives and positives on here. I mean a battery that powers all of this. Okay, here in my front I've got a little MacGyver that I won't explain too much about now. So okay, at the moment there's a universal infrared sensor over here, and I've got an infrared transmitter, as you can see over there. And well, yeah, basic source code is on the Leobot electronics website. This is just a demo to show how it works. So I mean, I'm not pressing anything again, it just keeps on turning until the countdown is complete. There's actually a method to stop it, that's that we have it on the top. Let me just do it again. So I'll just put my hand over here. So, okay, if I just want to drive it forward. Okay, so the battery connection does come loose, I'm not too worried about that. But okay, so this is a basic demo of it. So it's fairly simple. There's this, as mentioned before, this H-Bridge driver over here connected to Arduino. The H-Bridge is actually powering Arduino. The H-Bridge gets powered from the battery, and this does not need any external power, or not at least from the battery itself. It runs directly from the Arduino, and yeah, that's it. So it's a pretty neat little setup here. This is quite strong. I just need to align this correctly. This side is perfect. This side I probably just need to move that a little bit inwards. But never mind the design. The concept is the same. So whether you're implementing it for that or a robot like this, the same concept still applies. So this is a little bit quite a nice, much nicer robot because it has rubber tracks, where this one is plastic, but the concept and the code is exactly the same. So yeah, so that's basically it.